Hi, I am Akhilesh Agrawal, Deputy General Manager, Infrastructure Systems Division, Hitachi India Private Limited. The goal of the project was to set up an ICT-based green hospital at India's premier hospital, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi, a distinguished healthcare institute under the Government of India, and achieve 30% reduction in energy consumption. Through this project, we also wanted to contribute to the Government of India's Digital India Mission, Green Hospital and e-healthcare policy and deliver improved quality of services to the patient. In India, energy consumption of hospitals has shown a growth of about 15% annually, which is a big concern. We analyzed the current system at hospital and found that the hospital relied heavily on high power consuming equipment, and there was no energy supervision management and control system in place. Also, the hospital did not have any renewable source of power generation. Leveraging Hitachi's proficiency in OT and IT solutions, we implemented a host of energy-saving measures. We installed a 693 kilowatt carport solar power system, an ICT-enabled energy management system, and hybrid power factor correction system in substations. We also upgraded the hospital's heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, and replaced 33,000 conventional lights with LED lights. With successful completion of this project, AIIMS has taken a landmark step towards a green and digital hospital powered by ICT. This has brought multiple benefits such as 30% energy savings, free solar power, better lux level and energy saving with LED lights, and optimized operations through integration and digitization of different systems such as solar, chiller, and energy meters. Further, with high efficiency heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, overall our customer is able to save more than 38,000 units per day. The improved reliability of air conditioning of hospital has ensured better working conditions for the staff and services to thousands of patients. We have also drastically improved availability and reliability of medical equipment like MRI and X-ray for improved services to the patient. By utilizing information and communication technology and green sources of energy such as solar energy, Hitachi has contributed to building a clean environment and healthy society, thereby improving the quality of people's life. In a period of just 11 months, we were able to achieve energy saving of more than 12,500 megawatt hour, monetary saving of $1.5 million, and reduction in carbon footprints to the tune of more than 10,000 tons, thereby enhancing the nation's social, environmental, and economic values. This project is showcase of good credentials of OT technologies for MEP and energy management system and renewable power generation. Also, in line with digital vision, this project established Hitachi as the front runner for offering digital solutions for hospitals with proven global track record and proven Indian ICT implementation capabilities. By improving the nation's energy security, Hitachi social innovation is powering good.